What is Claim Settlement Ratio, CSR, in life insurance? The Claim Settlement Ratio, CSR, is a crucial metric in the insurance industry, particularly in life insurance. It represents the percentage of claims that an insurer successfully settles in a given year compared to the total number of claims received. A higher CSR indicates a more reliable and trustworthy insurance company, making it an essential factor for consumers when selecting a term plan. This document delves into the significance of CSR and its implications for policyholders. What is Claim Settlement Ratio, CSR? The claim settlement ratio is calculated by dividing the number of claims settled by the insurer by the total number of claims received, then multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. For example, if an insurer receives 1,000 claims in a year and settles 950 of them, the CSR would be CSR is equal to 950, 1000, asterisk 100 is equal to 95%. This ratio serves as a benchmark for evaluating the performance of insurance companies in handling claims. Importance of CSR. Trustworthiness. A high CSR reflects the insurer's commitment to honoring its obligations to policyholders. It builds trust and confidence among potential customers. Financial stability. Insurers with a high CSR are often more financially stable, as they have the resources to settle claims promptly. This stability can be a critical factor in ensuring that claims are paid out when needed. Informed decision making. By comparing the CSR of different insurers, consumers can make more informed decisions when purchasing life insurance policies. A higher CSR often indicates a better chance of claim approval. Regulatory compliance. Insurers are required to maintain a certain level of CSR to comply with regulatory standards. A consistently high CSR can indicate that the insurer adheres to industry regulations and ethical practices. Conclusion. In summary, the claim settlement ratio is a vital indicator of an insurance company's reliability and trustworthiness. For individuals seeking to purchase a term plan, considering CSR can lead to more informed choices and greater peace of mind. When evaluating life insurance options, always look for insurers with a high CSR to ensure that your claims will be settled efficiently and fairly.